In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use track changes in Excel. This feature is helpful when you want to review edits in a workbook and understand what has been changed, when it was changed, and by whom, depending on your Excel version and your settings. If you work with other people, or if you want a clear history of edits, track changes is the right tool to learn. To get started, open the Excel workbook that you want to work in. Take a moment to confirm that you are looking at the correct sheet because track changes will record changes made within your workbook. When you are ready, look at the top portion of the Excel window where you see the ribbon menu layout grid. The ribbon is organized into tabs, such as Home, Insert, and Review. You will use the Review tab for this process. Now click the Review tab on the top ribbon menu layout grid. As soon as you click it, the ribbon will change and show options related to reviewing documents and managing comments or changes. This is where Excel places the tools you need for tracking edits. If you do not see the tabs clearly, make sure your Excel window is wide enough, because the ribbon may collapse in smaller window sizes. Next, once you are on the Review tab, locate the Changes group on the ribbon. You may see it near the middle or toward the right side depending on your Excel layout. The Changes group is the section where Excel places the features specifically designed for tracking modifications. Go ahead and find the option labeled Track Changes within that group. Now click Track Changes inside the Changes group. After you click it, Excel will enable the tracking mode. If there are any edits in the workbook, Excel will begin noting them. This is the moment when Excel starts collecting the information you need for review, so it is important to do this before you make further changes. After you turn on Track Changes, pay attention to what you see next. You will now see the changes on the right side bar. This right side bar is where Excel displays the track changes, so you can review them without having to hunt through every cell manually. It is designed to make the review process faster and more organized. At this point, you should take a quick look at the right side bar and understand how the information is presented. Excel may show entries that correspond to cell edits, formatting changes, or other modifications depending on what has occurred. Make sure you can clearly see the change list or the change details because that is where you will confirm what was modified. To continue reviewing effectively, you can scroll through the right side bar if there are multiple track changes. This helps you see the full set of edits. The goal here is to use the sidebar as your central place for review rather than searching across the worksheet. If you notice any entries that you want to examine more closely, you can refer to the corresponding area in your worksheet. The main idea is that the sidebar acts like a summary of what changed, and the workbook itself contains the actual content that was edited. By comparing both, you can verify whether the changes look correct, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know for turning on track changes in Excel and viewing your updates on the right sidebar.